brain. Don't say.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. I hope you're doing great. My name is Lucy Milton, and if you're new here, karibu sana. You're so much welcome, and thank you so much for always choosing to watch this video. I don't take it for granted, and please consider subscribing. Yeah, it's totally free, and so that every time I upload a video, you will be among the first people to be notified. Yes, and for my returning service, may God bless you. You have my heart, literally. Happy Valentine's, happy belated Valentine's, by the way. I figured that I didn't tell you happy Valentine's the other video, and that was the time of where Valentine's was, you know, yeah, it was the time for Valentine's. It was that Valentine's period, right? But anyway guys, it's Valentine's every day for us, right? Because, you know, we have that special bond, right? I tend to believe so, honestly guys, because when you tend to come back once again and again to come and watch someone, I believe you have created that bond, right? I believe we have that relationship, and that's how I consider you. And I love you so much, people. I love you so much. May God bless you. So guys, I want to make dinner because it's actually 7:30 right now. And guys, I'm guilty because I've just woken up from a nap, a very strong nap. Yeah. Yeah, a very strong nap from around 4. Can you imagine guys, from 4 to 6 something? Oh my goodness. And that means that today at night we're not sleeping. I cannot find myself sleeping. Huh? How can you sleep all that long and then you sleep at night? Oh, that is unacceptable. Yeah. Do you usually get guilt? Do the guilt for sleeping? I don't know. For me, I feel guilt when I sleep at during the day. Yeah, I don't want people to know that I was nappy. I don't know. I feel guilt. I'm like, oh my God, how can you sleep while people are out there working? Yeah, it's unacceptable. But now because you slept while they are sleeping, you'll be awake. Yes. So guys, I want to make githeri. And because of that reason, my beans are still frozen. You can see they're still like frozen hard. They're actually steaming. I don't know. Yeah, so they're like frozen. The beans are still frozen. You can see. And this is what I'm supposed to make dinner for my people. Hey, Jehovah, Lucy. And some maize. Yeah, so these are what I'm going to make dinner with this. And oh my God, let me show you guys. Let me show you my people. You can't believe what I found today in the afternoon. Guys, it is mango season, and guys, I got so many mangoes for 100 shillings. Count with me. 1 mango, 2, 3. Remember, for 100 shillings, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 mangoes for 100 shillings. As much as they're not ripe, but guys, can you imagine 16 mangoes? But then guys, when I was paying, I was actually feeling guilty because I'm like, hey, is it my mezote? So how? Actually, I had to calculate with my phone because it was 3 mangoes for 20 shillings. So when we counted, they came to 100. I was like, oh my God, is it my mezote? Hey, I wish you saw me with a gunia, because guys, I didn't have a carrier bag, like a paper to carry, like a carrier bag. So because I was not going to buy mangoes, I was going to the shop to buy milk for baby who was just coming from school. So, and he wanted some, hey, my God, Joto. But then Nairobi is so hot right now. Is it hot where you are? It's super hot. Oh my God. So I was going to the shop to buy some milk for the baby. Then, tada! I found a vehicle selling mangoes. Imagine all these mangoes for 100 shillings. And actually we've already eaten one, so there were 17 mangoes. 17! Let me say mangoes like Craig. 17 of them for 100 shillings. How? Huh? How? This is amazing. So as much as they're not like ripe, they are heading there. So we have mangoes now. Here I have some potatoes, and this, oh my god, this banana is ripening up. Actually it's ripe. Also this one is ripening. Oh my, I'm making, and here I have some few potatoes. So I'll be putting this in my, I'm just trying to put a few of the potatoes because I'm adding the bananas. So I think I'll also go for avocado if it will not be too late. But yeah guys, let me put the mangoes back right here in the box. But yeah guys, all those mangoes for 100 shillings. Let me put them in the pantry. Another thing guys, I have some rice here. This is rice, pishori rice. Yeah, this is pishori guys. And you know guys, the pishori that actually smells like pishori, this is it. Huh? I'm sweating. Najoto. So this is pishori that actually smells like pishori. You know that pishori when you cook, like the whole apartment knows that you're making pishori. So guys, I have a plug. I have a plug. I got a plug last year, December, and we ordered 10 kgs then, and this is the time that in Aisha, the time that is over, so we ordered again. And you know that pishori that actually smells and cooks like pishori, guys. I have that relation, you know, that bad relationship with rice, because first I love sun rice. It cooks properly, it's so fluffy and all, but guys, I don't feel the taste. Do you know that? I don't know how I can explain it. Like when you eat rice, you feel like you love the rice. It was not giving me that taste, the authentic taste of rice. Also, it was so fluffy. You know, we all love fluffy rice. It was so fluffy, and it was 1-1. You know that 1-1 rice that you can actually count. I'm boiling milk, baby's milk here. That's why I'm checking. It was like that. So it was a problem because Craig loves his rice mushy. So it was so hard for me to, like, you know, mash the rice to, you know, to blend it together with the stew. So that's another thing. That's why we needed to change the rice. And this is, oh my, this rice, I really hope that it is the same that she placed, because it's a lady. I'm just hoping that it's the same kind of rice that she sold for us last year. It is so good. It's so good. So let me open. This is 10 kg and she's selling at 170 per kg, and then delivery it was 100 shillings. So either way, it is still economical than the 5 kg of sunrise, and it's also tastier. But if you put a lot of water, it becomes mushy, to be honest. It becomes so mushy, but it's still tasty, you know? Mushy, but still tasty. Yeah. So if I was alone, I would still be buying sunrise because of, you know, that hassle of going to having to buy all the way from where and waiting for the delivery. But now, since we all enjoy this, but I don't mind. It's so good, so such a beautiful, it's so delicious. I love this rice.
Turn it all out, tell me every secret. Said that I care, I still
I wish you could, like, smell it from where you are. Imagine it's in the package, but I can still smell it. The aroma of the rice is so good. So good. No, this is going to take us for 3 months. Yes, because it's whatever early December, and now it's almost ending February. And remember, we've also been having visitors. Also, guys, I have this big pumpkin that we bought. Actually, can you imagine, guys, this pumpkin? You can see how big it was. Guess how much it was? I'm those kind of people who always say that, Abu, guess how much? Guess it was, so that I can shock them with the price. Yeah. So, guys, guess how much this pumpkin was? 100 shillings. Yes, 100 shillings. And I bought 2 of them. No, it was actually 2 for 100 shillings, was it? I think so. Either it was 100 shillings or 50 shillings. Yeah. Guess. It was 100 shillings. Ah! My God. I love this for me. So let me start preparing dinner. Niaches to remain.
I'm feeling it. My phone's telling me it's right. It's so different. When you turn the light, it's like a cigarette. And I'm burning at your lips. Still so innocent. You kick it up and now I want to show you all what you deserve. And know we got so much to learn.
So guys, here is my food. Have you ever tried githeri with some rice? Oh my God, that combination is heavenly. That combination is so good. It makes the githeri not feel like bored and all that. So yeah, let me go enjoy my food, guys.
Turn it all out, told me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it? It's been months since we've been okay. I'm putting off what's coming. Another night staring at the ceiling. You deserve to be alone, to be the one they're always thinking of. And I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you. Admit that
Yeah? Oh, watermelon. Okay. So guys, can you imagine what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to do an assignment or assessment, and you're supposed to draw watermelon, or rather paint watermelon, and I'm searching for the best. Well, CBC, I don't know, maybe this one can work for me. The one with 8.8 million. Let me check. Can you imagine, guys? So yeah, so let me watch a tutorial. Guys, can you see how cute these shoes are? Oh my god, these are little Crocs that I've got for the boy, but guys, they are like perfect size, and he has several. And these shoes are so cute. Oh my god, they are so cute. So I want to exchange them. So these are the first ones that I got. Initially I had got these cute little Crocs, but now they are fitting, like totally fitting. His foot is reaching here, and that means that they are going to leave him haraka, yani or rather he's going to stop wearing them quite fast. I don't know if you can get me what I'm trying to say, but anyway, so I exchanged them with these yellow ones, and they are written, "Don't worry, everything goes well, lovely 100%. Oh my god, baby's shoes are so cute. They're the cutest. Can you see? Guys, tell me, which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite? These are my favorite, but now they are quite small. So I had to exchange with these yellow ones. So yeah, let's do the assignment.
Of the printable from our ebook, and we even laminated it. That keeps it lasting.
You're painting. What are you painting? Oh, you're painting watermelon. Okay.
Daddy's painting.
Your daddy's painting too. And you? Show me how you're painting.
A painting, baby.
You're painting. Okay. Which color are you using? Which color is that?
Green.
Okay, paint.
Green?
Yeah.
Green too.
Oh, they are two green. Yeah, wow. Good job, baby. So, good job. Let me do my best. So guys, this is how I've drawn my watermelon. Wow, it looks good. Yes? It's so big. It's a big watermelon. Okay, let me bring it to paint, okay? Okay, yeah? Yes, your mama is an artist. Job. No. Okay, paint. No, you paint. Green. Where are you going? Oh, you're going to put more water. Okay, come. Oh yeah, to paint. On your homework. Good job. Paint. The water. Si lazima mjaze maji. Hiyo kitu already kuna maji.
Black.
No, it's not black.
Not black, it's for the seeds. Finish first the green one. Finish your green, yes? Yeah, teacher will say good job. Okay, paint the green.
Yeah.
Not
Oh, there.
here, Baba. Yeah, there.
Was it here?
Painting, 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 painting watermelon. Painting, 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 painting watermelon.
Here. Paint here. Paint.
Yeah. Yeah, let's paint. I am painting. I am painting. Look at it. Yeah. Oh, teacher will say good job. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let's paint here the green one. I keep green in my phone. Come on. Don't paint your face. Paint the watermelon with the blue. Let's paint red now. Where's red? Sorry. Let's paint red. Is this red? Uh-oh, careful.
Okay. Paint red. Use the orange on the orange. You don't know the orange.
Look, baby, I'm painting red.
Okay.
Painting red.
Paint red.
That's
Red.
orange. This is red.
Paint red, not orange.
That's orange, Baba. You're messing it. Our teacher will say that manner. Wash the paint first. That's not hand. I paint the red one now. Good job. I am painting. I am painting. Look at me. Look at me. I am painting. Girl, you're so proud of us. Huh? Wow, paint the seeds black. Paint. Oh my god, this is a mess. But unaona at least kupainti black ina make a transition. Mtu anaona from one color to another. At least mtu ana guess hiyo ni watermelon. Good. Yeah, good job, baby. Well done. Yeah, you see mixed tena sana. Oh God. My father. I've painted you a tiger. Sit down, I paint you again. Rawr. Come, come. And then I put a dot here and a dot there. And we are done with art and craft and making the watermelon, and we ended up painting our faces, you know, but thank God the color is non-toxic, so it can't hurt our face. Or yeah, so come I show you, show people. Come you take a picture. He's so excited. Let me show you. Are you happy? You love mommy? I love mommy so much. I love you too. Okay. Yeah? A tiger. Are you happy with mommy's painting? Are you proud of your painting too? No, that's bad manners. Now let's go take a bath now, okay?
Mommy?
Yeah?
No, tiger.
You want to stay with the tiger? Okay, I'll paint you once again.
No.
Okay, let's dress up first.
Boy, angel.
Angel. Okay. Food imeiva. So guys, these are traditional vegetables some beef and some ugali, my favorite meal. Yum 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 yum, I love it. I wish I had an avocado here, but the ones that I got in the grocery shop, they did not please me.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Putting on your shoes when they're already like closed up, it's a whole exercise. Also guys, I can feel that I have a cold that is catching up on me. I have tonsils. I can feel my tonsils are swollen and they're quite painful. So guys, I want to head to Italy, and it is, look at my ages, this side is not giving, but this side, should I? Anyway, I'm going to Italy. I don't think there's any need of sorting out the edges, but anyway, yeah guys, I'm heading to Italy and let's go together. So guys, here are the items that I got. I got some innerwears for the boy. These were a dozen for 500 shillings. They need to be washed. Some t-shirts, some socks. These socks were 200 shillings for a dozen as well. T-shirts for the man and the boy.